Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dolphin. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we're going to make white bread. All the ingredients will be listed on the description box, so make sure you check it out and let's get started. So I'm starting off with half a cup of water. The water must be a bit lukewarm. 1 tablespoon of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix them together and leave them for around 10 minutes so that the yeast can be active. As you can see, the yeast is active, so now I'm going to add the dry ingredients and start kneading. Add about a teaspoon of salt and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. If you have bread flour, you can use it, but for me, I'm using all-purpose flour. The last thing that I'm adding is a scoop of margarine, or if you have butter, you can use it. Knead the dough until it's soft while adding water where it's required. You can also add a bit of flour. Do not squeeze the dough so much because you're trying to achieve a soft texture, hence that's why I'm just rolling it around to make sure everything is well incorporated. So now I'm going to cover the dough for 1 hour. This will allow it to rise and prove very well. So now I'm going to let the bread proof again for the second time, this time for around 30 minutes. After that, I'm going to apply some egg wash. This allows the bread to be brown on top. I've done this in other videos. Go and check my other videos. Bake your bread for 40 to 45 minutes. As you can see, the bread is very soft and very fluffy. I wanted to achieve this texture in my bread. Try out this recipe and let me know how it goes. Follow me on Instagram. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed, or you're a returning person in my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you. Peace.